This is Miss Amy with the Memphis Public Libraries, and I'm a children's librarian at the Benjamin L. Hooks branch, and I'd like to welcome you all to Storytime. Let's start off with our opening song. I'd love it if you'd sing along. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Now everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Now everybody wave hello, 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 hello. Good job, everybody. All right. Raise your hand if you've ever lost something. How did it make you feel? Sad? Me too. But when I found it, I was happy. So, boys and girls, today our theme is going to be lost and found. And I need everybody now to look up at my board here. I have some letters that I'd like you to identify with me. All right, here we go. T-R-U-C-K. And when letters come together, they form words. And this word is truck. Can you say truck with me? Truck. That's right. Now, our first book today is Where's My T-R-U-C-K by Karen Beaumont. And this is Tommy. Tommy's not himself today. I think he lost his T-R-U-C-K. Will he find it? Let's find out. Shh. I hear my parents say, Tommy's not himself today. He's lost his T-R-U-C-K. My brother says, let's climb a tree. My sister says, play house with me. But all I want to do today is find my T-R-U-C-K. I look behind my closet door. I dig through every dresser drawer. I search my brother's pile of junk. I look in Grandma's smelly trunk. And underneath the bed and chair, behind the curtain, oops, not there. I cannot find it anywhere. My brother tosses me a ball. My sister hands me some dumb doll. My mom says it will be okay. My dad just shrugs and walks away. I want my T-R-U-C-K. I dump my toy box on the floor. I look and look and look some more. I've never lost my truck before. I go outside. Where could it be? Is it underneath the tree? In the sandbox? By the shed? Maybe in the flower bed. I climb up on the ladder. Hey, is that my T-R-U-C-K? Uh-oh, whoa. I look again, but still no luck. Did someone steal my favorite truck? I had my red truck yesterday. A toy truck can't just drive away. I want my T-R-U-C-K. My brother hands me his green Jeep. My dad says I just need more sleep. My sister says, come on, let's play. My mom just whispers, what a day. I want my Truck. I don't want Jeeps or cars or planes or boats or bikes or trikes or trains. I don't want green or blue or black. I only want my red truck back. I look once more out on the lawn. My Truck is gone. I love that truck. I love it still. I always, always, always will. That truck hauled toys and tools and rocks, banana peels and dirty socks. Great big bones for Bowser. Wait. What's he doing by the gate? Bowser's dug a giant hole. Something's buried by his bowl. Something kind of red. Hooray! I found my Truck. Come on, Bowser, let's go play. The end. I'm so glad that Tommy found his red truck. I have a confession to make, boys and girls. I'm very sad. It seems that my pets are lost. My little kitten ran away. Where, oh, where is she? My little kitten ran away. Where, oh, where is she? Kitty, clap, clap, clap. Kitty, clap, clap, clap. Kitty, clap, clap, clap. And now she's back with me. Meow, meow. Good girl. Now let's find my pup. My little puppy ran away. Where, oh, where is he? My little pup ran away. Where, oh, where is he? Puppy, clap, clap, clap. Puppy, clap, clap, clap. Puppy, clap, clap, clap. And now the pup's with me. Woof, 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 woof. All right, there you are. Good boy, good boy. All right. Well, now, boys and girls, it's time for our next book. And this one is one of my favorites. It's called Found by Selena Yoon. And Bear comes across a stuffed toy bunny in the forest. Where is Bunny's owner? I don't know. Will he ever find his owner? Let's find out. One day, Bear found something in the forest. Look, there's Bunny. Bear thought it was the most special thing he had ever seen. He gently carried the toy bunny home. This lost bunny seemed sad, thought Bear. He wanted to help him find his home. With flyers stacked high, Bear set off. Bear posted flyers on every tree. There were many treasured things that were lost, but not a toy bunny. He searched high and low for its owner. But no one came for the bunny. Bear wished the bunny was his to keep, but the bunny's family must be so worried. thought Bear. Poor lost bunny. The next day, Bear and the bunny swung on a tire, played hide and seek, and picked juicy blackberries, and had a picnic. It was a perfect day until Floppy, my bunny, said Moose. Bear screeched to a stop. Bear handed the bunny to Moose. The bunny was finally going home. But look, Bear is very sad. Floppy, my dear old friend. As a young calf, Moose had loved Floppy very much. Goodbye, Floppy. Wait! Moose was glad to see Floppy, but special toys are meant to be passed on to someone special. Will you take good care of Floppy for me? Asked Moose. Forever! The bunny wasn't lost anymore. Floppy was home, safe and found. The end. Now let me get my prop cards for this next one. All right. Well, it seems that little kitty has lost her mitten. My poor little kitten lost her mitten and started to cry boo-hoo. So I helped my kitten to look for her mitten, her beautiful mitten of blue. I found a mitten just right for a kitten under the laundry so clean. But alas, the mitten was not the right mitten, for it was colored green. I found a mitten just right for a kitten under my mother's bed. But alas, the mitten was not the right mitten, for it was colored red. I found a mitten just right for a kitten under the kitchen sink. But alas, the mitten was not the right mitten, for it was colored pink. I found a mitten just right for a kitten inside my favorite shoe. And this time, the mitten was the right mitten, for it was colored blue. Good job, boys and girls. You really know your colors. That was so good. Now it's time to sing our closing song, and it goes like this. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap your hands, clap, clap. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Stomp your feet, stomp, stomp, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Everybody stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Tap your knees, tap, tap, tap your knees, tap, tap. Everybody tap your knees. Tap your knees, tap your knees, tap your knees, tap your knees. Everybody tap your knees. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Everybody wave goodbye. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Everybody wave goodbye. Thank you so much for joining us. See you soon.